How to change home screen on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top left of the screen to open the notification center. From here, press and hold anywhere on the screen to enter the wallpaper customization mode. You will now be able to see all of your saved wallpaper collections in a carousel view. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Customize button. On this page, tap on the home screen preview to begin editing. Now, tap on the Photos icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your photo library, where you can choose a personal picture as your new wallpaper. Scroll through your library and select the image you would like to use as your background. After making your selection, tap on Done in the top right corner to confirm and save the changes. You will return to the wallpaper gallery. Tap on the wallpaper pair you just created to set it. Following these steps, you can easily change the home screen on an iPhone.